Hi, so today we're going to talk about the tiredness that sleep doesn't fix. Yesterday we named the goal, not better, more accurate. Today we look at what the month's patterns have produced in the body when they've been running for a long time without that accuracy. The tiredness that sleep doesn't fix is what I'm talking about. You know this tiredness. It's not the tiredness that arrives after a hard day and leaves after a good night's sleep. It's the tiredness that's there in the morning before anything has happened. The one that makes a full weekend feel like it barely touched the deficit. The one that doesn't map onto what you've actually been doing. This is depletion, the body's accumulated cost of the patterns this month has been examining. The maintenance of the performance, the management of other people's states, the anger called patience, the resentment that had nowhere to go, and the ongoing background effort that needed to be the version of you that kept everyone else comfortable. Spinoza's Ethics, Part 4, Proposition 38, describes what genuine good for the body is when he tells us that which renders the body capable of being affected in more ways, capable of affecting the world in more ways, that is good. That which renders the body less capable of these things is harmful. Depletion is precisely this, the accumulated reduction in the body's and mind's capacity to engage, respond, and be affected. The machine running expensive programs continuously on resources that were not designed for that sustained expenditure. The tiredness is the body's honest reporting of that cost. It isn't weakness. It's the machine having spent more than it's being given. The standard response to this kind of tiredness is more sleep, maybe a holiday, or a break from the schedule. These can help on the surface level, but they don't touch the structural cost, because the structural cost isn't about sleep. It's about what the machine has been running in the background, regardless of whether you're technically resting. A holiday, when you're still managing other people's states, still performing the comfortable version of you, still monitoring the room, is a machine running the same program, but just in a different location. You come back as tired as you left. So, if what I've described today sounds like something that you're dealing with, then the deconstruction practice works with exactly this. I offer a free half-hour introduction session, so book it here. Thank you. Tomorrow we're going to be talking about why you're more tired than your life should make you. Thank you.